Hey everyone, thanks for coming by to see me. I greatly appreciate it. Well, today is the first day of my collab challenge. Is that what you call it? The collaboration for hashtag Love Fall Art 2019. Okay. And today is October the 18th, so we're going to cross that one off. That's this video right here. And you too can sign up for future collabs by going to the group hashtag Creative Arts Collaboration. And again, I want to thank Cinnamon for inviting me. All right, now here we go. These are my results, or what I put together for this collaboration. And I'm sorry, this gets to me a little bit. I miss you. And what this is about is the supplies that I used in this challenge mostly have come from a friend of mine that passed away a few years ago. And if anyone has been following me, or if y'all have been following me, you would know that I've been trying to really organize this mess that I have. I have so much stuff, and I bought this cute piece of furniture with all these cubbies in it and been trying to work on it off and on, still gone 12 hours a day for work. And as I was going through some things, I found a bin of mostly stickers that I had gotten from her. Her husband had called me, I don't know, maybe 6 months after she had passed, and said, come get all of her stuff. So I did. I had to rent a U-Haul trailer, and long story short, I was part of a ATC group, and I asked people if they wanted anything, and all they had to do is pay the shipping, and I packed up 30 some big, like game board, big boxes from the post office and sent to everyone. And I know every box probably retail minimum $200 to $300, no doubt. But anyway, I guess I didn't send stickers. Stickers are abundant. Stickers are kind of cheap most of the time. And I guess I must have kept them. I didn't remember that. But I found them, and I knew exactly why I had them and where I got them from. So I guess one thing I want to say about these tags are, no, there's not a bunch of layering, and no, there's not any real art stuff to them. Even though I would have liked to have done that, that wasn't my friend. My friend liked to do cards. She did beautiful cards, but they were usually pretty simple, with cute ideas or cute sayings in them. So my tags for this collab are going to be relatively simple. So let's turn over the eye right now. And here it is. As I said, stickers. She had a lot of fall stickers and not a whole lot of Halloween, but some. So I had been given these fall folders that had already been coffee stained from one of the retreats I went to. And you know how it is. You get all these odds and ends, and then trying to put them away and remember you have them. So I cut one of the folders up into tag size, this big tag size. And this is Sizzix die. And I don't know, I've used it many times, but then what I did is I've lately been on a kick to use poetry. And I found this book of poetry from 1994, and it's just regular, everyday people, the best I can tell, have written poems, and they now can say they're published. So I found some poems on autumn because that was the challenge. It was for fall. So let me read this first one to you. Autumn. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. Leaves fall off the trees, down, down to the ground. Yellow, orange, red, and brown. Jump in the leaves that fall to the ground. Down, down, down on the ground. Yellow, orange, red, and brown. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. Halloween and black cats, pumpkins, spiders, and flying bats, ghosts and goblins, witches too, and lots of treats for me and you. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. Air gets colder, wind blows strong. I wish it were here all year long. Autumn, autumn, I love autumn. And that was written by Andrea Lyle, age 12. Well, I had to laugh because in 1994 she was 12. Don't you kind of wonder what she's up to today? Anyway, this is my October the 18th fulfillment of this collaboration. And stay tuned. And please come back and visit me. And I hope you give me a thumbs up and even subscribe. And I would love to hear your comments. So, anyway, hug your friends, let them know how much you love them, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.